What's up, YouTube? I got this 2018 Chevy Equinox. The customer is complaining of a no start. The vehicle tested bad, or the battery tested bad in the vehicle. I'm going to show you how to replace it today. It's a little complex, so that's why I do these videos, to show you you can do this stuff if you have some common knowledge. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. I want to go home. Let's get started. Okay. So, first things first, let's get this bracket out of our way. 10mm nut. Swing it up and take it out of this and leave that bracket back there. I'm going to put those in my pocket for safety purposes. Disconnect your negative. 10mm. Just going to kind of tuck it out of the way. Now, this is the fun part. Pull up on your cover, you just pull back on these tabs. Just kind of flex back on the tabs. Just to take that door completely out of my way. It clips into there. Okay. Let's take this tin off here. Okay. Now we're going to get all these guys out of our way. Now grab another 13. Tuck that out of the way. Now we're going to grab an 8. It's somewhere up in here, I think. I don't think we have to disconnect this one. It looks like we can just pull it back. Now grab your 8. Notice they're numbered. If you can see that 1, 2, and 3. If you need to mark them, you can. Or take you a little picture with your camera. You can do that too. And these nuts are trapped. That's good. Finally, an engineer did something that makes sense. You can't lose them. Okay, now this bad boy just clips to the battery. So unplug this sensor, pull back on that red tab. Look at that. This red tab right here, just pull back on it, then push down right there. And then take your little cover off, little blankie, so you stay warm. Pull that heavy, you know what, out. Okay. Do yourself a favor and buy a battery with handles so you don't hurt yourself. And yes, you can buy them without handles, the cheaper ones. Okay. Set it in there till it seats real good. You know, the seat's behind that little piece right there, if you can see that. Fold your handles down. Take your little caps off. If you can't get them off with your fingers, get a little pair of pliers and twist them off. Put this little blankie back on. Okay. Clip that down. Let's connect all our connectors. Number 2. Number 1 here. Kind of a tight fit. Right. Make sure you start these with your hands. You don't want to strip that fuse out. Okay. Grab the bolt out of my pocket. Where did that socket go? There it is. If you're not comfortable using the gun, do it by hand. I've been doing this long enough where I can do this without breaking anything. Okay. Connect your positive. Grab your 10 again. Plug your sensor back in. Now, those wondering if you got to register this battery, that's up to you, but I've learned from experience that if you put the same exact group number and battery in the car, you don't have to, and I've never had an issue doing it that way. So that's just my advice. But if you do have to register it, you can probably go by any local shop that has a scan tool and throw the technician a $20 bill and he'll probably do it. LOL. If that's what you want to do. Put your little bracky back on. It's freaking cold out here. It's like 35 degrees. And my hands hurt. But this is the last car today and I get to go home. And I'm off tomorrow. And that's how you do it. That simple. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this thing up and I'm going to go home. Hope y'all like this video. As always, y'all subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.